This holiday season, let Magnolias Home Decor and Design in downtown Norfolk inspire you with the magic of Christmas. I'm Amy.
And I'm Kate. Our 6 holiday tree themes will inspire you to make your home shine with festive spirit.
Style your holiday home decor with the largest selection of silk florals, pine, and trims in the area, or select the perfect gift from our curated collection. Make your home merry and bright this holiday season. Visit Magnolias Home Decor and Design in downtown Norfolk, Nebraska, or online at shopmagnoliasonline.com and follow us on our socials.